This is going to be a very basic guide. It's going to assume that you know what you're doing. I'm going to start off with removing the top shell and the bottom shell. Generally like to start at a corner. And then just take my finger, go straight across while prying up. And there'll be little spots that it'll pop up at. There we go. Once you get your first one, it's pretty easy from there. You can just keep following, doing the same thing. Get another one. And then you can start to pry across it. If you don't want to use your finger, you can also use a pry tool. Any old pry tool should work as long as it can get in there. On the top, you don't have too much to worry about as far as wires go. Once you get these three sides, you just kind of wiggle it till this back side falls off. Your top's going to look something like this. We'll go more in depth on it.